Hello, welcome back and congratulations! You've reached the final video in our Painting with Paper mini-series. Through these weeks, we journey together from preparing papers, to layering, to backgrounds, and finally to finish an artwork. I hope you feel encouraged, inspired, and maybe even a little bit surprised about your own creativity. Today we will take a moment to celebrate what you created. We will also explore a few extra tips and a few nuggets to help you on your creativity journey. These bonus tips are an extension of our previous videos to help you along on your painting with paper journey. First, remember, you don't need fancy supplies to make meaningful art. Start with what you already have. Start off making your collage papers from tissue paper, store-bought or those for packaging. Paint and other supplies don't need to be professional grade. You can get more specialized papers and professional paints and other supplies later if you decide to continue this journey. What matters most is the joy of creating, not the price tag of your materials. Sometimes using expensive supplies prevent us from creating because we are scared to waste it. Second, keep your little torn pieces organized. An envelope, a plastic container or a small box can turn your scraps into a treasure chest, ready for your next collage. Many times I use these small scraps on small collages or in my sketchbook. Third, embrace the layers. Even if they disappear under new ones, they still add richness and depth to your painting. Collage is a bit like life. Every layer, seen or unseen, adds to the story. Fourth, when it comes to brushes, you only need a few. Once again, you don't need the most expensive brushes to start with. A white flat brush for washes, a medium round for details, and maybe an angled brush for versatility. And then also a soft brush dedicated for glue or a paint shaper which you can use for both painting and applying glue. Start simple and grow your collection as you discover what feels good in your hand. Fifth, consider journaling alongside your collage. Write down a word, a color or a feeling as you work. Ask yourself, what did this process teach me about rest, expression or trusting myself? Or, what do I want to remember from this experience? Write it all down. This connects your art to your inner world and make each piece more personal. And finally, if you're unsure about color value, step back. Squint or take a photo in black and white. This simple trick helps you see whether your lights and darks are working together. So as you step back and celebrate the pieces you finished or the pieces that's still in progress, remember this journey is not about perfection. You've learned to prepare, to layer, to let go and to finish with confidence. And that is something to celebrate. Thank you for joining me in this series. I hope it not only has given you techniques, but also a sense of calm and joy and connection. Keep creating, keep exploring, and most of all, keep painting with paper. Subscribe for more videos about healing through art, paint or collage tutorials, paint techniques, art tips, and much more. See you in the next video. Goodbye.